In the bustling world of project management and work collaboration tools, a few names consistently rise to the top. Among these, Smartsheet has carved out a significant niche, garnering widespread adoption and a loyal user base. This popularity isn't accidental. It stems from a unique blend of features and a design philosophy that addresses common challenges faced by teams across various industries. As a project management expert, I often observe why certain tools resonate with users, and Smartsheet's popularity can be attributed to several key strengths. The familiarity factor, spreadsheet-like interface. Perhaps the most immediate reason for Smartsheet's widespread adoption is its familiar interface. Unlike many project management software tools that introduce entirely new paradigms and complex visual layouts, Smartsheet leverages the ubiquitous spreadsheet format. For anyone who has ever managed tasks, data, or projects in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and let's face it, that's almost everyone in the professional world, Smartsheet feels instantly recognizable. This familiarity significantly lowers the learning curve. Users don't need extensive training to understand how to input data, create columns, or organize information. This ease of adoption means teams can get up and running quickly, seeing immediate value without a lengthy implementation phase. It bridges the gap between simple spreadsheet tracking and more advanced project management functionalities, making it palatable for users who might be intimidated by more traditional, complex PM software. Versatility and flexibility, a tool for many hats. Smartsheet isn't just a project management tool. It's a highly versatile work management platform. This chameleon-like adaptability is a major contributor to its popularity. It can be used for project management, its core strength, allowing for detailed task lists, Gantt charts, dependencies, critical path analysis, and resource allocation. Program management, managing multiple interconnected projects. Operations management, tracking processes, inventory, and workflows. Marketing campaigns, planning and executing campaigns, tracking content creation, and managing budgets. Event planning, organizing logistics, attendees, and vendors. IT service management, tracking tickets, issues, and change requests. Sales tracking, simple CRM-like lead and opportunity management. Budgeting and finance, basic tracking of income and expenses. This versatility means that a single organization can deploy Smartsheet across various departments and for diverse purposes, centralizing data and collaboration. It reduces the need for multiple disparate software solutions, simplifying IT management and reducing licensing costs in the long run. Robust automation capabilities, doing more with less. In an era where efficiency is king, Smartsheet's powerful automation features are a major draw. It moves beyond simple data entry to actively work for the user. These automations can be set up without needing to write complex code, making them accessible to a broader audience. Common automation scenarios include automated alerts and reminders, notifying team members when a task is due, overdue, or changes status. Approval workflows, routing documents or requests for approval automatically, ensuring compliance and speeding up decision-making. Automated updates, changing a task status based on predefined conditions, e.g., when all subtasks are complete. Request management, automatically creating new rows or tasks from submitted forms, e.g., client requests. Bug reports. This automation capability frees up valuable time for project managers and team members, reducing manual oversight and preventing tasks from slipping through the cracks. It ensures consistency in processes and reduces human error, directly contributing to project success. Collaboration at its core, breaking down silos. Smartsheet is built for collaboration. While its spreadsheet interface might suggest individual data entry, its real power lies in enabling multiple users to work on the same sheet simultaneously, in real time. Key collaboration features include real-time co-editing. Multiple users can view and edit the same sheet at the same time, seeing changes as they happen. Comments and discussions. Users can add comments directly to rows or cells, fostering contextual discussions tied to specific data points. File attachments. Relevant documents, images, and other files can be attached directly to tasks or rows, ensuring all necessary information is readily available. Sharing and permissions. Granular control over who can view, edit, or administer sheets, ensuring data security while facilitating necessary access. This collaborative environment breaks down information silos that often plague organizations. It ensures everyone is working from the latest version of the truth, reduces the need for endless email chains, and improves team alignment. Powerful integrations. Connecting the ecosystem. No single software lives in isolation. Smartsheet's popularity is also bolstered by its robust integration capabilities with other widely used business applications. These integrations allow data to flow seamlessly between systems, creating a more cohesive workflow. Common integrations include Microsoft Office 365/Google Workspace, seamless integration with Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, Docs, and Drive for file management and data synchronization. CRM systems, connecting with Salesforce, HubSpot, or other CRMs to pull client data or update project statuses. Communication platforms, integration with Slack, Microsoft Teams for real-time notifications and discussions. Reporting and analytics tools, connecting with Tableau Power BI for advanced data visualization. These integrations enhance Smartsheet's utility, allowing it to fit neatly into existing IT ecosystems and leverage data from other critical business systems. Scalability and governance. Growing with your business. Finally, Smartsheet's appeal extends to larger enterprises due to its scalability and robust governance features. It's not just for small teams. It can manage complex portfolios, programs, and enterprise-wide initiatives. Features like Control Center, accelerators, and a strong emphasis on security and administrative controls make it a viable option for organizations with stringent compliance requirements and a need for centralized oversight.